When it comes to maritime safety, understanding firefighting techniques is crucial, especially in the vast and unpredictable ocean environment. One method that stands out is boundary cooling. This technique is essential for protecting vessels and crews from the devastating effects of fire, particularly when dealing with flammable materials or equipment on board. Boundary cooling is all about creating a protective barrier against heat. Imagine a fire raging on a ship. The heat can spread quickly, threatening not just the immediate area, but the entire vessel. By applying water to the surfaces surrounding the fire, we can cool them down, preventing the flames from spreading and buying precious time for the firefighting team to act. This method is not just effective, it's a lifesaver. Now, let's delve into the science behind boundary cooling. When water is sprayed onto a heated surface, it absorbs the heat, turning into steam. This steam creates a barrier that helps to insulate the area from the fire. The cooling effect reduces the temperature of the surrounding materials, making it less likely for them to ignite. This is why timing and technique are critical. The water must be applied effectively to maximize its cooling potential. The responsibilities of the firefighting team during this process are immense. They must assess the situation quickly, determining the best approach to use boundary cooling effectively. This involves identifying the fire's location, understanding the materials involved, and coordinating with other team members to ensure that everyone is on the same page. Communication is key. Every second counts when lives are at stake. Executing boundary cooling involves a step-by-step process. First, the team must establish a safe perimeter around the fire. Next, they need to set up their water supply, ensuring that they have enough pressure and volume to effectively cool the area. Once that's in place, they can begin applying water to the boundaries of the fire, focusing on the surfaces that are most at risk of igniting. It's crucial to maintain a steady flow and adjust the angle of the spray to cover as much area as possible. Finally, the team must continuously monitor the situation, ready to adapt their strategy as the fire evolves. Incorporating boundary cooling into maritime safety training is vital. It not only prepares crews for emergencies, but also fosters a culture of safety and awareness on board. By understanding this technique, crews can respond more effectively to fire incidents, ultimately saving lives and protecting property. As we wrap up this discussion on boundary cooling, remember that knowledge is power. The more we educate ourselves about firefighting methods, the better prepared we are to face emergencies at sea. If you found this information valuable, consider sharing it with your fellow mariners and engaging in discussions about maritime safety. Together, we can create a safer environment for everyone on the water.